CSP Transformer Installation and Grounding. Transformers are one of the most important and expensive components of a distribution system. Their correct installation is essential to providing low-cost, high-quality electric service to consumers. Improper installation may result in poor quality service and unsafe working conditions for electrical workers. The objective of this video program is to demonstrate appropriate work methods to install and ground a completely self-protected, or CSP, transformer. Also demonstrated will be the use of the transformer gin and block and tackle. We will demonstrate preparation of a transformer, preparation of the grounding points, preparation of the pole or structure, the proper method to raise a transformer, and the process of grounding a transformer that ensures quality control. Preparing a transformer for installation. Certain steps must be taken prior to installing the transformer. For each transformer, there should be a card that contains its historical use and operation. When you install or repair a transformer, the card should be updated. Details on how to update the card vary from company to company. Obtain this information from your supervisor. Each transformer has a nameplate attached. This plate contains important and useful information for linemen. The information normally contained on a nameplate is brand and type, number of phases, a serial number, primary and secondary voltage, polarity, kVA, impedance, and taps. Confirm the information on the transformer nameplate and associated inventory card to ensure its accuracy. The transformer utilized in this video is a CSP type, which signifies the transformer possesses automatic self-protection. Warning: transformers without nameplate should not be installed. It is important that each lineman be able to read and understand the information and specifications contained on the transformer nameplate. In case you have any questions about information contained on a transformer nameplate, consult your supervisor. Once you have confirmed that the data on the card is consistent with that on the nameplate, inspect the transformer for obvious damage. Once on site, the lineman or his assistant should prepare the transformer for mounting. The first step is to install the grounding points. Each transformer should have 2 grounding points, which are identified by the lineman. The installation is made before the transformer is raised. Estimate the length of cable that will be needed to carry out the grounding installation. 2 paths to ground are required to ensure the safety of linemen in the future. The first bonding or grounding point provides the electromechanical connection for the transformer. A failure of this bonding point results in the tank of the transformer becoming energized at the full primary potential. A second cable is installed to provide an alternate path to ground, which serves to reduce the possible electrocution hazards to linemen working with the transformer in the future. Once the grounding cables have been installed correctly on the transformer, pole preparation can commence. Structure preparation. The position where the transformer will be is located, and holes are drilled if required. Machine bolts are inserted, with the heads placed on the side of the pole where the transformer hanger brackets will be located. The transformer gin is prepared by opening the chain binder to its extended position and then raised to the lineman. Once received, the transformer gin is installed. It should be positioned high enough on the pole to allow the transformer to be raised with the block and tackle. The eye of the gen should be aligned with the heads of the bolts to facilitate easier transformer mounting. It is important that the block and tackle be correctly prepared before raising it to the lineman. All slack in the rope between the two blocks should be eliminated, and a half hitch is tied over the top block using the fall line. This keeps the ropes from tangling and reduces the weight, allowing easier pole top installation. The tail of the fall line is tied to the lower block hook. This allows the block to be lowered by pulling the tail of the fall line once the block and tackle have been installed on the pole. When the block and tackle have been installed in the eye of the gen, the groundman can lower the bottom pulley. Another pulley is attached to the butt of the pole. This pulley allows the vertical force of the fall line to be transferred to a horizontal force, ensuring safe and stable movement while raising the transformer. A sling is used to connect the block and tackle to the transformer. There are two load hooks on the side of the transformer tank. These are used to support the transformer while it is raised. The groundman places the sling over these two load hooks, then attaches it to the block and tackle. Tension is applied to the fall line, and the transformer is slowly lifted off the ground. In certain situations, such as when obstacles are present on the pole, the transformer has a third attachment point on the bottom of the tank where a control rope can be attached. This rope can be used to help guide and balance the transformer while it is being raised. The groundman should maintain a prudent distance away from the base of the pole while the transformer is being raised. When the groundmen receive the order to raise the transformer, they should do so in a smooth, even manner. Once the transformer's brackets are slightly above the machine bolts, the lineman instructs the groundman to maintain it at that level while he aligns it with the bolts. When the transformer is properly aligned, the lineman instructs the groundman to slowly lower the transformer until it rests securely on the bolts. Tension is maintained until the lineman indicates the bolts have been completely tightened. After inspecting the transformer to ensure proper installation, the block and tackle and transformer gen are lowered. The proper tools and materials required to ground the transformer are then raised. Both transformer grounding conductors are connected to the pole ground. This provides two grounding paths from the transformer to the pole ground. Before climbing down, the lineman inspects his work and that of others. This confirms that all work has been properly accomplished. Transformers are one of the most important and expensive components on a distribution line. Their correct installation is essential to providing low-cost, high-quality electric service to your consumers for years to come.